Hey lipstick besties, this is Victoria Lowe and I'm back with another video, which means another color. And this color is courtesy of the community chat from Luscious. Hey lipstick besties, this is Victoria Lowe and I'm back with another video, which means another color. And this color is courtesy of the community chat from Luscious Pout. Hey Juan. Hey Victoria, don't know if anyone requested these yet. Can you do the e.l.f. Glow Reviver Lip Oils? Any color will do. And I am so glad that she said that because Valentine's Day is right around the corner. And of course, e.l.f. had a variety of beautiful glosses that catered to Valentine's. So this is the one that I chose since we're going right into this Valentine theme. I chose a Glow Reviver lip oil in the wine dupe. I believe it's called the berry wine or wine berry, and it came out so beautiful. My bad, y'all. It's called Divine Wine. It's a berry plus a pink pearl. And like I said before, it came out absolutely stunning, and I can't wait to share. Stay tuned. Let's mix it up. Mix it. Lipstick game. Mix it. Lipstick game. Mix it. Lipstick game. Mix it. Let's mix it up. Mix it. Lipstick game. Mix it. Lipstick game. Mix it. Lipstick game. Let's mix it up. Alright, first things first, I got my grapeseed oil and my Versagel. That is how I like to start off my glosses slash lip oil situation. Of course, you guys know that the full recipe to this video is going to be on my Patreon. For a small pledge a month, you'll get access to all of my recipes and archive recipes. So I have mixed my Versagel into my grapeseed oil into my Versagel initially. Now I'm going to grab another bowl of grapeseed oil and I'm going to add my micas. I got some Sparkle Me Red, some Pink Amaranth, and some Imperial Purple. All of the micas that I purchased will be in the description box below, as well as the links to where I purchased them. Now I'm going to go in with a little bit more grapeseed oil because it is too thick for me to go ahead and pour over. So I'm just going to add some more oil to get things moving a bit, being that this is more of a lip oil than a lip gloss. So I'm going in with some Red 27 Alum Lake just to intensify the pink undertones, and this is going to darken it up as well to give it a more of a shimmery wine effect, and that's the color we have. So I'm going to just go ahead and pour this mixture over into the Versagel. Now I do want to mention, if you want this to be more like a lip gloss versus a lip oil, then I would use only 1 teaspoon of the mixture. But if you would like for it to be more on the fluid side, like a lip oil texture, then I will go ahead and use all of it. So I did use all of it and I mixed it together, and that was the texture I got. As you can see, it's like a nice beautiful glide. It is the texture of a lip oil versus a lip gloss, and it is very pigmented. I only did like 2 coats and it came out absolutely beautiful, and the pink is popping. I love, love, love this gloss. So Valentine's appropriate. You can see the reflex from the micas that we chose. We have like some red reflex and some gold reflex, but it really does pair well with the pink and the purple mica combined. This pink came out so pretty. I love this request. Thank you again, Wine, for requesting this beautiful color, this beautiful brand rather, and allowing me to choose the color. Thank you so much. I know you guys will love it just as much as I do, and it is a perfect addition to your collection, especially in time for Valentine's Day. If you guys make this color, let me know what you think, and stay tuned for more Valentine's content. See you soon.